Hey guys, and welcome to a new wig review. I have a brand new wig by Everydaywigs.com. This is my third order at the shop and it's a color I did not own yet. Let's get started with the short unboxing part. The box contains 2 stocking caps and the wig itself. It's packed in a reusable Ziploc bag, which is great for storage. The wig itself is protected by a hairnet to avoid any tangles. You will find a big piece of paper inside the wig. This helps to keep the shape of the wig base during the storage, so don't throw it away. The wig is made out of heat-resistant fibers and has a medium hair density. This one is also provided with comps to secure it a lot better, 1 at the back and 2 at each side. You can adjust the cap size with these little straps at the back of your wig. The lace is a bit too dark for my skin tone. I would say it's a medium brown. The hairline is hand-tied and has a deeper U-part, so this wig is great if you want to style it with a long middle part. Now let's get started by cutting off the extra lace. I like to do it while the wig is on a wig head. First of all, I secure the wig with long needle pins and hair clips. You should cut off the lace close to the knotted hairline. Take your time and don't rush the step. I like to start at one of the outer edges above the ear flaps and work my way up. But that's just my preference, so just do it your way. I'm wearing a meshed wig cap to hold my hair up. I prefer the nude ones to cover my natural hair. Then it's time to put on a stocking cap on top to cover my dark hair even more. You should always pick a stocking cap that matches your skin tone as close as possible, because it's going to be acting as your scalp underneath the lace. Now let's see how it looks. If you want to learn how to put on a wig or styling techniques in general, you should check out my wig basic guide at the info card above. The surface of the wig fibers is shinier than other wigs I own, but it's still fine for my personal taste. The wig itself feels really soft and the length is good for all kinds of stylings. I think I'm gonna use this wig for Corpse Bride one day, which is on my cosplay wishlist for years now. I really like the density of this unit because it's not too heavy or thick, but it still covers my real hair. So if you're interested in this wig or some of the other styles, you should check out their web shop. They have a ton of different styles and colors. So that's it guys. Question of the day: what is your favorite wig shop and why? Thank you guys for watching. Hit that subscribe button if you like my videos. I see you next time.